Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's dig in the garden. Today I would like to show you the open inflorescence of the Zantedeschia aethiopica Pink Flamingo, and you can see that the outer part of the spathe is already getting this lighter hue, while in the center it's still this lovely dark apricot pink salmon color. So it's a lovely plant, I really like it, and I said earlier I was looking forward to having this plant for more than a decade, and it will have more flowers because the weather is started to cool down. Look at this beautiful, one, two, three more inflorescences are coming up, maybe more. So it's beautiful and lovely. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.